Hello students, you are most welcome in Infallible Academy classes, and now we are going to solve a question which is given in 2025 exam of class 10th, right? So it is said that x is a cube, a b cube, and y is a cube b, right? And we have to find that HCF, HCF minus LCM. This we have to find. So how to find HCF if it is given? So we will take HCF. First of all, we have to factor if it is given 290 or 130 or whatever in numerical form. So we have to take first of all the prime factorization, prime factor of that given number. So here algebraic expression is given, so we will do like that: a b cube and y is given a cube into b, right? So how to find HCF? HCF is, see, what is the common thing here? We are seeing that A is also common, B is also common here. Same thing. What is the same thing? A and B also. So what to take for A and what to take for B? See, for SCF, we will take the lowest power of A. That is only A, because A is here and A cube is here. So lowest power of A is A, right? Not A cube. Here also, if for B, the lowest power of B is B, right? So AB is the SCF of this. So we have to take lowest power of the common factor, right? Lowest power of the common factor in this given expression for SCF, right? For LCM, what we will do? We will take highest power. That in A, we are seeing that there are A cube is, this A cube is highest, A cube, and here B cube is highest, so we will take B cube. So this is your LCM, A cube, B cube. So for what to do? For finding HCF, we have to take lowest power of the common factor, and for LCM we have to take highest power of the given expression, a given common factor, right? Okay, so now what to find? We have to find HCF minus LCM. So do that. HCF is AB and LCM is A cube B cube. So do the subtraction. Now AB is common, so take AB common, A 1 minus A square B square. So now here this is also a formula of A square minus B square, and that is A plus B and A minus B. That is A plus B and A minus B. So we will do here also. This AB is just like that, and this is A square, that is A plus AB, and second is A minus this, like that, right? So this is A plus B and this is A minus B. So our answer is this, and it's matching with this. D is the answer, right? Okay, thank you.